Welcome back. Here is how to buy US stocks from Nigeria on the Bamboo app. Log in into your Bamboo account. If you haven't completed verification, upload your BVN or NIN and contact details to unlock trading access. Then you have to fund your wallet. Tap on Add Money and select whichever wallet you want to fund, either the USD wallet or the Nigerian Naira wallet. So once you have tapped the Nigerian wallet, deposit your fund. Type in the amount you wish to deposit and proceed onto the payment. So once your transfer has gone through, your wallet balance updates once the payment goes through. So the next thing is go back to the home page and tap into invest. Tap into invest at the bottom corner of your screen. So use the search bar to type the name or ticker symbol of the US company or ETF you want to buy, like Apple or whichever one. So after you have selected the order type, then you click on the market order to buy immediately or at the current market price. So limit order to set a specific target purchase price or stop order. So enter the purchase amount, type in the dollar amount you want to invest. Bamboo allows fractional investing, so you do not need to buy a full share to start. Review and place your order. So you tap review order to double check the transaction details and fees. If everything looks good, tap place order. Your transaction is now complete and your new US stock holdings will appear in your portfolio. Thanks for watching and happy investing.